Okay, we have a 2003 Oldsmobile. The turn signal don't work. None of them work at all, left or right. But when you turn the flashers on, the hazard lights, they work just fine. So I try swapping checking the switch, relay, and all that. Then I notice after I finish doing all that, I notice it's a simple fix. So I'm gonna show you guys, so you don't have to go through what I went through. Alright, it's an easy fix. Anyone can do it. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but that's the hazard light. They work just fine if you do that. So that tells you it's not a flasher. So don't waste your time trying to replace the flasher or anything. Alright, so you're gonna see how easy it is to fix. Okay, now I'm inside the car. As I said, if you use the hazard light, that works just fine. It flashes just fine, but if you try to use the turn signal, it doesn't work at all. Sometimes it works, but you hear some kind of like a clicking sound, but it's not working. Like that clicking sound, it comes on and off. That's because this thing right here, this piece right here that control the turn signal is messed up. The mechanism inside here, inside the steering column. Okay, I already took off the screws and stuff. It's easy. It's a 932. I already took them off, but this is all you need right here for the entire job. You don't need any other tools but the 932. So I'll show you how to fix this. Okay, this cover comes right off. Okay, it's trying to make me look stupid now, but I already took it off. It just stuck somewhere. Right, there you go. Okay, then this is your problem right here, this piece. I already took that one as well. With the 932, it's only one bolt holding it, this bolt right here. Okay, you take that bolt off, and it comes right off. That's it. And you have 3 wires. Actually, the 3 harnesses that control the wiper blade, I guess, and the turn signal right there. Alright, if you take those 3 harnesses on the bottom, let me just flip it around so you see it. They're right there. Okay, they come right off. Alright. Okay, this is how it will look like once you take it off. Alright, this is the problem right here. The whatever electronics that is inside this part, like right here, is messed up. So sometimes you hear clicking even though it doesn't work. Like you hear a clicking sound, click, 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 but it doesn't do anything. So this is going to be replaced. So already, this is the one that is bad. Okay, put this aside. But I went to the junkyard and get another one. It only cost me like $10. I guess you can get it cheaper than that. But this is the one I got from the junkyard, and it's easy to do. Anyone can do it. All you need is a 932? Yes. And this is it. You take it out. So now we're gonna put this one in and see what happens. Okay, I already hooked up the wires to the back of it. So all you gotta do is like just put it down. It slides right in. You know, it goes just like that. It slides right in there. Alright. Then you put this bolt back in there, and that's it. Yeah, so you use the 932 and just put it back in there. There you go. It's right there. But before you do all that, I think it would be better if you check it out first, make sure it works before you tighten it and put everything back together. Alright, so let's see if it works. Okay, so now you turn the ignition on and let's see if it works. It works just fine. So that was the problem. You see, it's an easy fix. It will save you a whole lot of money and the headache I went through just to find this out. It's not a flasher, it's not a fuse, it's this piece right here that goes to the steering column. I don't know whatever it's called, but you can do it. Alright, so now we're just gonna put it back together and you're good to go. Okay, there you go. It's working just fine. That's the turn signal for the right and turn signal for the left. There you go. I hope this work. I hope this helped you guys, because it worked for me just fine. It's easy. If you really know what you're doing, it's not gonna take you that long. It took me less than 10 minutes. All right, it's working just fine now. There you go. Left work, right works. Left work, right works. All right. Okay, guys, enjoy.